Did a little mistake over here, but it's okay. That's how you learn. Mistakes. Embrace your mistakes. I made another mistake. A mistake line that should be the bottom part. Plus 15 plus 28, 6. Okay, seems nice. It almost doesn't seem crooked. So now let's open our Bible. I'm going to be honest with you. That is crooked as hell. Why this is on? I know why. We'll fix this now. Now it should be on the money. I'm a walking epi. Please don't fall. My friend. Moment of how square we are. 1,592 millimeters. 1,590. I don't actually believe we are square. Let me check for the first time with you. Okay. I open this, yeah, you've got, I can put here, here.